Sarah, what is your little brother's name?
Baby Emma.
That's right. Did we come home from the hospital today? I like your pretty dress.
I told Baby Emma. Hi. 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 Hi, baby. Move.
Can you give baby a little kiss on his hand? A little kissy kissy? Oh, thank you. And what's he doing with his mouth? What is he doing?
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Do you like that you're the big sister? Is this good?
Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.